Hi everyone, Tao here. Do you drop your phone a lot? Because I know I do. Today I have a collection of bumpers and cases for the Pixel 3 from a company called Rhinoshield. They're known for building tough protective cases. Can I just add that Rhinoshield is the perfect name if you're building rugged cases? Like seriously, thumbs up on that. They were also kind enough to throw in a 2-in-1 add-on lens along with a lens adapter mount that allows you to attach the lens to one of their SolidSuit cases, which I have here. Add-on lenses are becoming more and more popular with smartphones. The Pixel 3 has an amazing camera already, but this should make it a little bit more versatile. Anyways, I'm rambling on way too much. I have a lot of colors to try on my not pink Pixel 3, so without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. Starting with the Rhinoshield SolidSuit cases. Let's go ahead and open this and see what's included in the box. The case comes in very simple packaging. The front says, super tough protective case that's got your back. The SolidSuit cases are military grade certified and can absorb at least 11 feet of impact, which should be more than enough in everyday situations. Let's go ahead and slap this baby on and see what it looks like on my Pixel 3. First impressions, the case looks like it can handle a few drops, but the good thing is that it doesn't add too much bulk. I have the Whitestone dome screen protector on my Pixel 3, in case you're wondering, and the SolidSuit cases are 100% compatible. Usually I'm not too fond of dark colored cases, but this actually looks really good on my Pixel 3. It feels very comfortable to hold, not the grippiest, but I'm not worried about it slipping out of my hands. You got all your cutouts, a wide opening for your fingerprint sensor. Yep, so that works perfectly. Also included is a lanyard strap cutout. Ooh, I'll be right back. So here's the lanyard strap with the case. Perfect for us clumsy folks. Buttons are super tactile and clicky. I know it may not be important to you guys, but I like really clicky buttons. You guys hear it? And wireless charging. Works perfectly. The RanaShield SolidSuit cases are also available in the colors white, blush pink, and carbon fiber. I'll just try each case on quickly so you can see what it looks like on the Pixel 3. White is super clean and it's very white. Like, I mean, blinding white. I don't know how clean this will stay over time, but for now it looks awesome. The blush pink is immediately my favorite one. It just complements the not pink Pixel 3 so well. Note that the material that is used on the back plate has a felt feel to it, and like the white, I'm a little nervous about it collecting dirt over time. I still love it though. The carbon fiber is probably going to be the most popular amongst the boys. Very nice, rugged looking case with that carbon fiber touch that's so popular these days. I have to mention this, taking these cases off is a bit of a struggle. So prepare yourself. On the card that came with the cases, Regina, the RanaShield rep, said that she'll include a Valentine's Day surprise. And this is it. It's a Valentine's Day themed SolidSuit case. It's super cute and I'm definitely going to be rocking this all the way up until Valentine's. Thank you so much, Regina. I love surprises and this is great. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. Wink, wink. Next up, we have some super tough bumper cases that don't add any bulk. These are called the RanaShield CrashGuards. They're also military grade certified and can absorb at least 11 feet of impact. I have them in the colors black, white, and blush pink. Let's go ahead and try these on. The CrashGuards are bumper styled, so the back of the phone is completely exposed. There is a lip to protect both the front and back of the phone from scratches when sliding it on flat surfaces. Now, if you drop your phone a lot on uneven surfaces, the SolidSuit is probably the better option since it provides all-around protection. Between the two, I personally prefer the SolidSuit since I'm way too nervous about the back being exposed. For those of you who want to show off the phone's design while still having some reliable drop protection, this is a good option. It would also work really well with those phone skins, which I still have yet to try. Moving on to the thing I'm most excited for, the 2-in-1 add-on lens. Taking it out of the package, you can tell it's a really well-built product. It's got a good weight to it. Both ends of the lens attachment comes with a cover for protection, and you can store it in this cute pouch when not in use. There's actually two lenses on here. The main one is the 4K HD wide. You can then unscrew the top part, which exposes the macro lens for those super close-up shots. Installation is pretty simple. Just take the case off, snap on the lens adapter onto the SolidSuit case, and now the lens can just screw right on. Here's what the Pixel 3 camera looks like without the lens. Here's what the Pixel 3 looks like with a 4K HD wide angle lens attached. You get so much more in the frame. Unscrewing the top exposes the macro lens. Just take this off quickly. Gently place this down. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of something random. Let's take a picture of my lipstick here. Here's how close the normal Pixel 3 camera can get to a subject. You've probably noticed, but you can only get so close to something before the camera just refuses to focus. Here's how close you can get with the macro lens. That is really impressive. Check out all that detail. I'm digging it. I'm definitely going to be doing a camera test with the RanaShield 2-in-1 add-on lens to see how much it improves my mobile photography skills. So stay tuned for that video. There you have it, the SolidSuit and CrashGuard cases from RanaShield, as well as their 2-in-1 add-on lens. These are very well built products and I'm impressed. Everything will be linked down below in case you guys are interested. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye! My Instagram game is gonna be on a whole nother level. Thank you, Rhinoshield.